Welcome to our podcast. My name is Cortan Sanjilizan, and for today, I'm your host. We're here because we want to observe, we listen, we think, analyze, and understand and speak. So let's ask other people what's their motivation about studying philosophy. So let's ask the first group. Let's go. So now, let's ask the group over there. Let's go. Hey brothers, can we ask a question? Of course. So, can I ask you, what's your motivation in studying philosophy?
Motivation ako sa studying philosophy kay kanang interesado kay tungod kanang sulabot di kanang knowledge of life, so it is a way na kanang learning process na kanang patubag na tong mga question nga kanang around sa kanang earth na kanang wala ta kabalo, so it's like na kanang how do we live, unsay naka-apekto sa kanang mga nalakop sa to sa una sa tong kinabuhi karon. So kanang ang philosophy is kanang is not the way the kanang learning process siya. So it's a question na to is matubag na to sa when we study the philosophy.
Yo, so that's wonderful thinking. Now let's ask the other people here. Can you tell us?
Of course. I am very I find this subject very interesting because it's really, I don't know, it's just really fun to learn with, and that I just want to know about the disciplines and the academics and also the nature of knowledge.
That's great. Now let's ask the other people inside the classroom. Let's go. Hey guys, can I ask you a question? Yeah, sure. So, can I ask you what's your motivation in studying philosophy?
Studying philosophy, my motivation is to study hard because philosophy is hindi siya basta-basta na subject sa tuwa yung ko sabto na siya maayo kay para po sa tuwa kayo ano o autos ng study hard, work hard, and strive on.
Let's go! Now, let's ask this other people.
The reason why I study philosophy because I want to learn more knowledge about everything in this world. And that's all.
Yay! Now it seems we're missing something. So let's ask the other girls in the ground. Fast! That was tiring. Now let's ask this group of girls. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
So what's your motivation in studying philosophy?
To gain new knowledge about everything. To be able to know not just the biography but also the invention and discoveries of our philosophers.
Amazing! What a nice answers! That's it. That's it for the end of the podcast. So, do you think I'm finished? Now, let's ask our brother. So, do you find it interesting in studying philosophy?
Interesting?
Yes. Do you find it interesting?
Yeah, I think as the one assigned to teach the philosophy subject, I'm so interesting, and then the people think that to study philosophy is too difficult, too difficult. But after they ask me or they assign me to teach this subject, I will make it more fun, and then I will try to make it more easy so that we can understand each other. Because to study philosophy means to reflect about the things that exist in the world, in the universe. So, study philosophy is not study about something that transcended, but we can see the reality, and then we will make it more easy. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Hey. Yeah.